you are able to take an existing PowerPoint presentation and add narration to it and export it as a video. So in order to do this, open up a presentation that you have. Now you may want to change your presentation so it formats a little bit better for video purposes, so making sure that there's a good contrast between text and any background colours, making sure that you're using the best use of the space available to you, so making sure that if a learner is going to access this video perhaps on a mobile device, will it be big enough to display? So there's a few formatting things you might want to look at before you go to record. When you want to record, go to the slideshow menu, and then you can choose record slideshow and start recording from beginning. And it says, what do you want to record? The slide and animation and the narration. Yes, I want to do all of these. So when I press to start recording, it will then record what we're saying through the microphone as well as what's happening on your slides. So I'll press start recording. And now you can see it's recording up at the top here. So just now, as I'm speaking, this is recording me talking over my slides. And when I move to the next slide, I can then begin to talk about, in this case, an insertion sort, and begin to explain how the insertion sort works if you're interested. So you'd flick through your slides and then shows what's happening, and I could explain to the viewers what's happening in my insertion sort. You go through your presentation until you're quite happy with that, and then you can end your presentation. So I'll just flick through. So there's my algorithm. Stop there. Okay, so that's me recorded my presentation, and you will see on each slide there's a little icon that appears that has the audio associated to each of the slides that you were talking over. You can play back that audio at any time to listen to it. If you want to make any changes, you can record again. So you can go up to the slideshow and then start recording from the current slide, or you can clear the various things. So you can clear the timing, clear the timings of all slides, clear the narration on the current slide. So if you wanted to get rid of this, you could just clear it there and play around with your settings here. Once you're happy with that, you go to File and Save. Give it a place to save it. I'll save it on this PC. And when you come up with your save box, instead of saving it as a PowerPoint presentation, you can save it as an MP4 or an MPEG-4 video and press Save. Down the bottom of the presentation, you will see a little piece of text that says creating video insertion sort.mp4, and this progress bar will show you how long it's taken to take your slides and your narration and export it as a video. So depending on the size of your video, it takes a wee while to do that. So once that progress bar has gone, as you see, your video has been created. So you'll find the video in the folder that you identified previously. So at this point, you can then take your video and upload that to perhaps your YouTube channel if you have one. You upload it to your Google Classroom or your Microsoft Teams folders, add it to a OneNote document, or wherever it is that you've decided you want to store your videos. to the File menu,